accomplished achiever, a healer who brings hope and compassion through his service. Please welcome Dr. Umar Farooq, an MBBS graduate whose journey reflects dedication and humanity. Please welcome Dr. Umar Farooq. Everyone, a big round of applause.
A big round of applause, everyone. Thank you so much, Dr. Umar Farooq. Now, we have CA Sonu Jain, a remarkable chartered accountant whose hard work and professionalism set benchmarks.
Mr. Sonu's achievements truly reflects the excellence nurtured at DMS. So everyone, please join me to welcome CA Sonu Jain. Everyone, a huge round of applause.
Thank you so much, CA Sonu Jain.
Now, moving ahead, a young doctor whose steady hands and gentle heart heals with excellence. Let's honor Dr. Prankul Khattar, MBBS. Please welcome Dr. Prankul Khattar. Everyone, a huge round of applause. Everyone, keep appreciating.
जोरदार तालियों से.
Thank you so much, Dr. Prankul Khattar.
And now, honoring a symbol of innovation and intellect, an IITian who has set benchmarks in technology and learning and is working as an analytic in Google, Mr. Gunjan Mathur, IIT alumnus. Please give a wonderful round of applause for Mr. Gunjan Mathur. जोरदार तालियां होती रहे. Please give a big round of applause, everyone, as they are the achievers of our whole country. Thank you so much, Mr. Gunjan Mathur.
Now, an achiever in this segment, a brilliant mind, a sharp thinker, and a proud chartered accountant. Let's welcome Ms. Khushbu Manihar, whose journey in finance proves that precision and passion together creates excellence. Please welcome CA Khushbu Manihar. Everyone, please give a big round of applause to our alumni.
A huge round of applause, everyone.
Thank you so much, Miss Khushbu Manihar.
Now, moving to the world of innovation and creation, a mind that designs dreams into reality. Mr. Ayush Buradia, engineer, whose technical brilliance adds values to every project he touches. Please welcome, with a big round of applause, Mr. Ayush Buradia. Thank you so much, sir, for honoring these shining examples of DMS legacy. हर सफलता के पीछे एक कहानी होती है और इन सभी के पीछे है मेहनत, लगन और हमारे विद्यालय के संस्कार. Let's give them all one more big round of applause.
To continue the felicitation, we now invite on stage our respected guest of honor, retired DFO Shri Padam Singh, a visionary leader whose contribution towards nature and discipline is an inspiration to us all. Sir, please come forward to grace the stage and honor our next set of shining alumni.
Please give a big round of applause for our guest of honor.
Now, a gem from the engineering world, Miss Priyanka Mundhra, engineer, whose determination and intelligence truly make her an inspiration for the young generation of DMS. Please welcome Miss Priyanka Mundhra with a huge round of applause.
Please give a big round of applause to her. Up next, we honor Mr. Karan Singh Solanki, BAMS, a healer who brings together the ancient art of Ayurveda and the modern science of wellness. His service reminds us that medicine is not a profession, it's a responsibility. Please welcome, with a big round of applause, Mr. Karan Singh Solanki.
Thank you so much.
And now, we call upon Dr. Rajkumar Singh Rathore, dentist, a perfectionist who crafts smile and spread confidence through his skill and care. Please welcome on stage Dr. Rajkumar Singh Rathore with a big round of applause, everyone. Thank you so much.
Now, from the realm of technology and innovation, we proudly invite Mr. Rishabh Ladha, IITian, a brilliant mind who continues to elevate the standards of Indian engineering. Everyone, please welcome Mr. Rishabh Ladha with a huge round of applause. Thank you so much to Mr. Rishabh Ladha.
Following him is another IIT achiever, Mr. Nitesh Maurya, IIT graduate, whose journey reflects the true spirit of innovation and perseverance. Please welcome Mr. Nitesh Maurya with a big round of applause, everyone.
Thank you so much to Mr. Nitesh Maurya.
And now, a compassionate doctor who chose service over comfort, Dr. Achal Chaudhary, MBBS, dedicated to healing lives and spreading hope wherever she goes. Please welcome Dr. Achal Chaudhary with a big round of applause, everyone. Please give her a big round of applause, everyone.
Thank you so much, sir, for gracing the stage and honoring these bright stars of GMS.
इन सब की कामयाबी हमें ये सिखाती है कि सपने वो नहीं जो नींद में आए, बल्कि वो जो हमें सोने ना दे. Let's give them one more thunderous round of applause.
Now, we request our director, sir, to kindly grace the stage and felicitate our alumni. Please put your hands together for our respected director, sir.
जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं.
Our next alumnus is Neha Rathi, a brilliant civil engineer who has contributed to some prestigious projects in our country.
Miss Neha has shown that determination and skill can truly shape the world around. Please welcome Miss Neha Rathi on stage. Thank you so much, Miss Neha Rathi.
Next, we have Namita Jain, a talented fashion designer who brings creativity and innovation to the fashion industry. Please welcome Miss Namita Jain with a huge round of applause.
जोरदार तालियों से इनका स्वागत कीजिए.
Thank you so much to Miss Namita Jain.
Our next alumnus is Aryant Kothari, a successful chartered accountant whose dedication and professionalism set new standards. Please welcome Mr. Aryant Kothari with a big round of applause, everyone.
Thank you so much to Mr. Arhant Kothari.
Next, we welcome Tina Bihani, an IIT graduate whose intellect and perseverance are truly commendable. Please welcome Ms. Tina Bihani on stage with a big round of applause, everyone. Thank you so much, Ms. Tina Bihani.
Our next proud alumnus is Dr. Virat Chaudhary, an MBBS graduate making significant contribution to healthcare and society. Please welcome Dr. Virat Chaudhary with a huge round of applause.
Thank you so much.
Our next alumnus is CA Nikhil Kothari, a distinguished chartered accountant who has excelled in the field of finance and auditing. Please welcome Mr. Nikhil Kothari with a huge round of applause.
Thank you so much, sir, for gracing the stage and honoring these bright stars of DMS. Once again, a big round of applause for all our alumni. Now, we request our administrator, sir, to kindly grace the stage and felicitate our alumni. Please put your hands together for our respected administrator, sir.
Now we have Dr. Riya Singh, a brilliant BDS graduate making remarkable contribution to dentistry. Please welcome Dr. Riya Singh with a huge round of applause.
जोरदार तालियों से इनका स्वागत कीजिए।
Thank you so much to Dr. Riya Singh.
Next, we welcome Dr. Simran Sarwa, an expert physiotherapist dedicated to patient care and rehabilitation. Please welcome Dr. Simran Sarwa with a big round of applause, everyone.
Thank you so much to Dr. Simran Sarwa.
Next, we honor a brilliant mind from the field of law, a symbol of integrity and intellect, Miss Varsha Saini, servicing proudly in the Rajasthan Judicial Services, RJS. As Varsha Saini couldn't join us today due to prior commitments, we now invite her proud parents to receive the honor on her behalf. Please give a huge round of applause, everyone.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
And now, a financial expert whose precision and ethics define excellence, Ms. Rishita Mittal, Chartered Accountant, setting a shining example of how hard work and focus lead to success.
Though Rishita Mittal is not present with us today, their achievement surely make their family and institution pride. We request her parents to kindly come forward and receive the felicitation on her behalf.
And here comes another star from the medical world, a compassionate soul serving humanity. There we have two passionate doctors, Dr. Sahil Koradia, MBBS, and Dr. Simran Koradia, MBBS. Though they are not present here, so I would like to request their family or their parents to please come forward and receive the felicitation on their behalf. Please give a big round of applause, everyone.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Next, a financial expert whose precision and ethics defines excellence, Mr. Harsh Bajaj, Chartered Accountant, setting a shining example of how hard work and focus lead to success.
Though Mr. Harsh Bajaj is not present with us today, I request his parents to kindly come forward and receive the felicitation on their behalf. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Now, we have Varshit Khatri, a distinguished chartered accountant whose hard work and determination are an inspiration for all. Though Mr. Varshit Khatri is not present here with today, their achievement will surely make their family and institution proud. We request his parents to kindly come forward and receive the felicitation on his behalf.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Next, we have CA Kajal Surana, a distinguished chartered accountant excelling in auditing and finance. Please welcome CA Kajal Surana with a big round of applause.